So yesterday we got the wall sheathing done on our gable end, our south gable end, and had trouble with the camera yesterday, so I don't have a whole lot of footage of that, I don't think. It wasn't plugged in, so I ran out of battery, and then I ran out of memory. So today I'll try to get a little bit more footage, but today we're going to put angle flashing that's going to go where the overhang porch intersects the wall. We've measured to that height and snapped lines all the way down, so now a piece of angle flashing or step flashing basically is going to go at that level, so that when we do the porch roof, it'll go up to it and slide underneath that flashing, and then that flashing will sit behind the sheathing going up the rest of the wall, so that way any water that comes down, make sure that it comes out onto the other roof. And since we're not doing the other roof for a little while, I had to just kind of make a jig to figure out where that's going to be, where that point's going to be. I just took a piece of sheathing and screwed some studs to it, and I would set that on there and be able to measure up and scribe a line where that sheathing will intersect. So I did that when we were putting the sheathing on, so I knew what that height was going to be. And so today we're going to start putting that step flashing on, and then we'll see if we can get some sheathing going the rest of the way up the wall. So let's get to it.